Hey guys, so this is what, if you're looking on Instagram and did a video where Vincent did a bar spin fakie. It was on this bike. This is the 15-minute bike build. So this is a full bike check. We're going to start up here with the grips. These are, I forget the brand. They were bought on Amazon. They're really nice grips with the color. This bike is cotton candy themed, as you can see. Bars. These are We the People. If it wants to focus. We the People Nova bars. The stem. It's a Rant top load stem, blue cap to match. That's a Salt Pro headset. Works. This thing turns like no other. It's crazy. That's why Vincent was able to do all that stuff, and just the fact that Vinny is good. So yeah. Frame, you guys already know. It's the Mafia Bikes Madman, the original teal frame. These are getting really freaking rare. I have green fuel frame down there yet. As you can hear, it's got a loud cassette, very loud cassette. It's a GT cassette. I might put that on my Sabrosa, or just get a Colony Wasp. By the way, the front wheel is it's actually different. It's a We the People, came off a We the People bike. Yeah. These tires, these are Primo street tires in pink to match. The blue splattered forks with the pink MNG. These are Mongoose forks. And yeah. Pedals, these are DK pedals, as well as the cranks are DK. The sprocket is a Mongoose sprocket, and the chain is whatever came on a Mongoose. Seat is the original Mafia Bike seat, MB stitched. Internal seat clamp. Pretty good to have a complete bike frame. Have that, most don't. So yeah. Also, I know people actually do care about this. These are just blue stem caps. I know our Grenade or valve caps, sorry. The Grenade valve caps video actually blew up. A lot of people liked it. And so if you guys like that, hey, I'll do unboxings of these valve caps and try them out if you guys really like that stuff. That's gonna do it. I mean, not much to know. This bike is really nice. It has the really loud cassette. Thanks you guys for watching. Be sure to check out the other bike check. I'm going to post both of these at once. And so yeah. Leave a like and peace out.